Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to enroll to free journalism courses in 2023. Are you looking for a guide on how to enroll to free journalism courses so you can study online? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we are back in our favorite openculture.com, and if you scroll down a bit, you're going to see writing and journalism courses. So for those who don't know, Open Culture is one of the, I guess, oldest but more efficient and best websites to get free courses that you can take on the comfort of your own home. Excuse me. There are a lot of ways to do it. One of which is um, MOOCs, free iTunes videos, online videos and whatnot, free online courses and whatnot. And as you can see here, there's a note. This section includes a lot of massive open online courses or MOOCs. If you want to enroll in a free version of an MOOC, please select the full course, not no certificate, or edX or audit if it's a Coursera course option. If you opt to take the course for a certificate or credential, you will need to pay it because you will be charged. And uh, if you get into a course that you're studying for free and you want to be certified or you want to have credentials or credits for it, you can pay for it because here's the thing: one of the best things about Open Culture is that all of its courses, and they are free, are from the top universities and colleges across the world, right? Unlike other free, quote unquote, free online courses, or even like online courses that are paid, like people are making courses now even though they don't really have the tenure experience or credentials to back it up. Some do, of course, but at least with Open Culture, you know it's going to be from a top university or college. And as you can see here, University of East Anglia, University of Reading, UC Irvine, University of Oklahoma, UC Boulder, Wesleyan, Leeds, UC Berkeley, UC Irvine, Manchester Metropolitan University. So Cal Arts, Berkeley College of Music, Open University. So there's a lot of with more of the science courses, because this is an arts based course because it's journalism. More of the science and medicine and technology based courses are going to be from MIT, Harvard, and all those amazing Ivy League universities. So yeah, as you can see here, there's a lot you can get. So a beginner's guide to writing in English for university study. It's an MOOC, an introduction to screenwriting, advanced writing, British news media systems, broadcast journalism, business writing, creative writing, types of creative writing from Wesleyan, creative writing, discovering science, science writing, English for journalists, part one and part two from UC Berkeley, getting started with essay writing from UC Irvine, grammar and punctuation from, again, UC Irvine, grammar and punctuation advanced, how to make a poem, how to write an essay, journalistic ethics, journalism under siege, memoir and personal essay, managing your relationship with the reader, press and society, rhetoric, the art of persuasive writing and public speaking, script writing, write a pilot episode for a TV or web series, sharpen visions, a poetry workshop, songwriting, writing the lyrics, start fiction writing, start writing essays, writing for strategic communication, writing in the sciences, writing science fiction and fantasy, writing stories about ourselves. So there are a lot you can get here. So if you open, say, this one, it's an MOOC. Let's let it load. And as you can see here, it says University of East Anglia, an introduction to screenwriting. This online course explores the key concepts and fundamental principles involved in the process of screenwriting. So it says here, and almost 1,000 reviews, over 250,000 enrolled in this course. It's 2 weeks, 3 hours per week, digital certificate when eligible, introductory level. Yeah, so like you can see here, the information that you will have, like what topics you will cover, Um, and again, you can do this for free and can do this, you can pay for this. So yeah, so let's check another one. The online course, journalistic ethics. Let's check this out. As you can see here, there's a YouTube video, right? It's an hour long lecture, LEC one, and yeah, you could just go to UCLA courses on YouTube, and as you can see, it's one of 14. One of 14 in this playlist. If I hover there, playlist journalistic ethics communication studies 187 UCLA, and as you can see, again, it's a playlist of 14 videos and one video. This is the introductory part one. It's over an hour long, so you can expect at least 14 hours or at least 10 hours to that point of of study. So yeah, that's pretty much open culture. You can also go to allison.com. It says here, free online journalism courses. Are you interested in news and current affairs? Do you want to write for a living? Our free online journalism courses are packed with everything you need to know to start a career in media. So again, you can also pay for these courses, and they are free. As you can see here, diploma in journalism and print media. So as you can see here, 10 to 15 hours, almost 60,000 learners. And you hover it there, you can see that, and you're going to see what a brief rundown of what you're going to learn. Same with this journalism and print media, 3 to 4 hours, over 7,000 learners. Yeah. So, and if you click start learning, as you can see, you will need to sign up. It's very straightforward, and yeah, like you can pay for it, but you don't have to. So, and as you can see here, Allison has over 4,000 free courses, 30 million members, 6+ million graduates, 195 countries. So Allison is another good way to, as their tagline goes, empower yourself. So, and also they have an app for iOS and Android, so you can download it, so you can study on your phone, which it's pretty good. Like if you're on the go, you're downtime somewhere and you don't have anything to do, maybe listen or study for like an hour or something. Because I think you can do this by at the leisure of your own time. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.